Feed roughly anywhere between 40 and 50 birds a year, youngsters, and they're all rare and endangered birds of prey, the ones that we breed. And basically they go to the London Zoo, not to be kept in a zoo, I'll make that crystal clear. It's to be sent across the world within 6 months to be sent out into the wild. Okay, so that is the end goal for them. All right, I know. So if my so what I'm going to do is super quick. This is the only bird we're going to sit under here with, and then all the others we're going to go into the woods in a bit with the next one. Okay. So just to give you a bit of a sort of a taster, just going to get him just popping down to you, nice and easy. If you've got cameras, please do use them. If you ask nicely, he will smile. Okay. And yeah, he will. Make sure they're good ones. Okay. Right. Okay. Do you want to go first for me, sir? Okay. Right. So nice and easy. Just stand up for me. That's the position. Just like that.
Going to fly down.
Come on. Okay. Lovely. You're right. And when you've got the bird on your arm, you can just turn around. You can turn around so that they can get a nice photo. Brilliant. He knows where the camera is. The charger. Then ask me, is he remote control? He's not at all. He is basically, it's like an insurance policy. Okay, so it hasn't happened for a while. He's it's basically there just in case he decides to do a little bit of an explore. Then I can look on my phone, see where he is on the map, literally a dotted map, and we will go for a really long walk. that is planned. Domino. Yeah, lovely Dom. Domino, smile. Domino. Domino. Are you coming? Thank you. Wow. He's normally pretty gentle. Okay. Right. Anybody not had two goes? Yeah. Okay. You're a pain. Yeah, absolutely. They're a bit more weighty, a bit more to them. Right, Bobble. Are you ready? Now, does anybody know why a barn owl is the colour it is? No. So, the reason why a barn owl is white is because it needs a plan B. Bubble. That was very gentle. I don't know where. The good thing is with the shelters is no matter how hot it is outside, it's always. Oh no. Train, but also they are very quick learners. Right? Rodney. Now I may mistakenly call him another name, and that's Trigger. Okay, because he has a brother called Trigger. Okay. Rodney here is 17, and his brother Trigger is I think he's about 11, 12. Okay. But as you can see, it's a beautiful bird. It's a beautiful looking bird with this beautiful white stripe on the bottom of his tail, aren't you? No, I haven't got a glove on. But he does have. Hey, we'll just get on flying him. Otherwise, we're not going to have a hand. There we go. Okay, wiggle around like that. Rodney, anytime now, please. No. Oh. He hasn't quite got a brain, if I'm honest. Rodney. There we go. There we go, lovely. Rodney, if you stay there, you get another bit. That's the deal. Wait a bit. No, we ain't. Are we ready? You've got two photographers, haven't you?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Okay, right, here we go. Chicken, wait. Chicken in the slot.
Oh, that was fast, wasn't it?
I know. Good job they got it on camera because I missed that. There we go. Well done. Oh, I'm okay. Believe it or not, guys, he has eyes like a hawk. So he can see things amazingly well. Whenever we say that, they have 3-mile binocular vision. Alright, and also Come out. Here we go. Okay. Just if he comes here, he looks like he's going to really get up to your face. Just look the other way, just at the last moment, just in case. You know.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Rocky. Rocky, look at this really nice piece of chicken. Look at it. Rock. What is always over there? He always looks at something over there. Rocky. Oh, here we go.
Whoa.
Oh my word, Rocky. Turn around. Oh, mama thumb. There we go. You alright with him?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Right, let's get him smiling. Lovely. Rocky, say hello to everybody. Yay! Oh. Have we all snapped that photo?
I don't.
Smile. Grace, other way. Smile. Okay. Have we all got photographic proof she was here?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Are we ready? Are you ready? Okay. After three. Let go of me. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay, so I don't know what she's going to do, to be honest. She might do something amazing or she might do something really boring. So, well, we're going to watch her fly anyway. You can see that beautiful evening light there.